constant variables. So the constant variables declared with const keyword, these variables are assigned at compile time and cannot be changed afterward. So what does it mean? At the time of declaration, we have to assign a value to it and it cannot be changed at runtime. Scope. Their scope is the same as any other variable, but they must be initialized where they are declared. Lifetime. They exist for the duration of the program. Characteristics. Constants are static by default, meaning they belong to the class rather than any instance. So it is similar to static variable only. Use cases. Ideal for values that are known at compile time and will never change, like mathematical constants or configuration values. So the pi value is, as we are aware, 3.14 only throughout the application. So that variable should be a constant variable. So here we have declared one class circle and we are declaring one pi variable over here with const keyword and the value of const variable is 3.14. So this is a constant value for circle to calculate the area of it. So let's discuss constant variables now. Constant variables declared with const keyword. These variables are assigned at compile time and cannot be changed afterward. Their scope is the same as any other variable, but they must be initialized where they are declared. So let's make this z function as a const instead of static. So if we are not assigning any value at the time of declaration to constant variable, it will throw an exception. A const field requires a value to be provided. So if I am trying to compile the application, it will throw same exception. A const field requires a value to be provided. So we have, whenever you declare any constant variable, we need to assign some value at the time of declaration only. And once it is declared and assigned, we cannot modify the value of z again afterwards. So if I am trying to assign some new value to z, it will throw exception. The left hand side of the assignment must be a variable or property or index. So we cannot change the value of z in display function as well. And with the help of scope object as well. So constants are static by default, meaning they belong to the class rather than any instance. So the constant variables are similar to static variables only, but we cannot change the value of that particular variable after the assignment at the time of compilation. So here, if I'm trying to access z parameter with the help of object, then z is not available over here. But as like static variables with the help of class name, z variable is available. So let's print the value on console. Yes, 20 is the value of z at the time of declaration only. And if I'm trying to modify that value, it will throw a exception at compile time only. Yes, it will not allow to modify the value of const variables. Ideal for values that are known at compile time and will never change, like mathematical constants or configuration values.